Hey everyone, Blake Sloan here. I just wanted to share a quick video behind the scenes. I get asked a lot, like why should we use you? If I'm looking to buy my house or sell a house with you, what makes you different? One of the first things we talk about and I want to share with the blog is that we have an amazing team that not only is top quality talent, but trains hard, pushes hard, and does whatever it takes. My day, for example, today started at 5:30 a.m. at the gym by 6, done by 7, back studying the market, studying business, and getting here. My team was led by our team sales leader for an 8 a.m. training, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. This is a random Wednesday. Now, at 9 o'clock every morning, we have a team huddle. We go through, what was your win from yesterday? What was the win that made you win for your clients? What's your goal today? What's your win gonna be for you to serve your clients? And today, I'll take you behind the scenes so you can see a little bit behind the scenes, what happens, what they do. But we meet every morning in the conference room. Some people work virtually. A lot of people are back to working in the office. But the difference is, like, what's your agent doing? Most agents I find in the business that don't work here wake up 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. They may or may not even get dressed. They may or may not even go to the office. And they're just reacting to life, reacting to business. But here at Sloan Realty Group, we're proactive. We're here to kick ass. We're here to win for our client. Why? Because that's our culture, and we're competitive, and we're in this game for one reason. And that reason is to win. And so if you're a home seller in today's fast-paced market, the last thing that you want to do is put your house out there with some agent who just goes through the motions, or an agent who's just out there by themselves trying to do everything. Now, that's just the upstairs huddle. At the same time, our administrative team, which our closing coordinator, listing coordinator, our photographer and videographer, is down there doing their huddle for the day at the same time to figure out who's doing what, how are we going to work together best. And so the reality is, we're here to win. We have a team of people, both listing agents, buyer's agents, inside sales, people who are what we call VIP concierge, to make sure that every phone call gets answered, every email gets returned, and we're here winning for you. And if you're a buyer looking to buy down here, guess what we do? We're here to make sure your phone calls get answered, your questions get answered, that we have speed of response. When you want something, we get that for you ASAP, and we're here to get that done. On the flip side, as a home seller, right, we have marketing all across the globe, buyers from all across the Northeast, the country, California, Florida, we get Europe. And so our team's on the phones all day, every day, servicing those buyers, bringing them to your listing. And so the reality is, our team-based model is what ranks our system, what got us in Forbes magazine, Wall Street Journal, the top half of 1% in North America from a ranking standpoint. And so if you want to get your house sold and you're watching this video, call us today, 843-808-SOLD. If you're watching this on YouTube or our blog, our contact information should be right here. But check this out. Let's do a little behind the scenes of our huddle this morning. Just a random Wednesday. My team didn't know what was going on. I just decided to film that so you guys could see behind the scenes how we operate. Just one of the small pieces of the many that separate us from everybody else.
A buyer's appointment, $100 and 20%.
Tony, what's going on?
How's it going? Yesterday was a great day, good training, and then I did a showing for Austin yesterday. People had already purchased the property, sight unseen. It was great, good motivation for me. It was great to get out there and do one with them. So today I'm going to do 100 odds and keep it going.
All right. Joe, what's going on?
Good day yesterday. I got an appointment and then the listing. And I booked the same day appointment for Jeremy and he listed, which is great. Today I'm going to do $250 and 30 texts because I'm going to try to do some new stuff today. So.
I had a great day yesterday. I got one of my clients pre-approved, working on another one today, showing property to the one today out in Conway.